it is a great tragedy to the nation of Kenya at this particular moment in time in our country's history. So we really, it is a big shock to us as a nation. We will say more at another function which we are going to maybe have to postpone. And as you know, today is the 4th anniversary of the death of the late Honorable Kipkalia Kones and Honorable Lorna Laboso, almost in around the same area. So it is a big tragedy. But we are going to go to the stadium, Nakuru, where we were supposed to have a rally. We will see how we can then convert that in memory of the departed.
Maybe is it the same duty before they went for there?
But we were just in Mombasa 2 days ago at this forum for peaceful elections, where Professor Saitoti spoke very passionately about the need for peaceful elections and the measures which his Ministry of Internal Security has been putting in place to ensure that elections are truly peaceful. Honorable Jode was there also. So it is a very sad memory indeed.